10 tips for aging better. We know it's not just about living longer, it's about living healthily and happily for longer. Follow on watching us on Daily Health to see our top 10 tips for aging better. 1. Watch what you eat and drink. It sounds obvious, but having a balanced diet is crucial for good health, energy, and preventing illness. An ideal diet should be low in saturated fat, with lots of fruit and vegetables, whole grains, oily fish, and small amounts of low-fat dairy and lean meat. Don't forget to top up with lots of water to avoid dehydration, which can make you feel tired and confused. Tea, coffee and fruit juice will also help you to stay hydrated, but avoid sugary fizzy drinks. If you drink alcohol, keep at least 2 days per week booze-free to give your liver time to recover from the toxic effects of alcohol, and don't exceed recommended daily limits for alcohol consumption. 2. Look after your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, and floss daily. Floss helps to prevent gum disease by removing pieces of food and plaque from between the teeth. If it's left to build up, you might notice sore or bleeding gums, and gum disease can also be linked to diabetes, strokes, heart disease, and rheumatoid arthritis. Have regular checkups, and if you wear dentures or have a bridge, ask your dentist to check that they fit properly. 3. Stay active. Daily exercise helps you to stay strong and healthy. This will lower your risk of obesity, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even cancer. If that wasn't enough, staying active can boost your self-esteem, improve your sleep, and give you more energy. Government guidelines recommend that older adults do 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity per week, as well as strengthening exercises twice a week. If that sounds like a lot, start small, and as you get stronger you will be able to work up to those amounts. 4. Make the most of your doctor. It's a good idea to get some routine tests done at the doctor's to check your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. High readings increase your risk factor for stroke and heart disease, but any problems are completely reversible with medication. Whilst you're there, why not ask your doctor about the seasonal flu jab? It's free once you reach 65, or if you have a health condition that puts you at risk of more serious problems if you caught the flu. 5. Get a vitamin boost. Lots of people have a vitamin D deficiency and don't know it. In fact, it's estimated that it affects half of the adult population. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to cognitive impairment, bone problems, and also cardiovascular disease. Try to get outside in the sunshine for at least 15 to 20 minutes a day for a vitamin D boost. It can also be found in food such as eggs and oily fish. Alternatively, talk to your doctor about a vitamin D supplement. 6. Take care of your feet. Look after your feet by applying moisturizer to prevent dry skin and cutting your toenails straight across. Make sure you have footwear that fits properly and supports your feet. If they are sore, you may be tempted to stay in slippers, but a pair of trainers could be a good option as they are more supportive. Contact your doctor if your feet become painful, feel very hot or cold, or if you have common problems like corns, bunions, or ingrown toenails. 7. Sort out your sleep. Many of us have trouble getting or staying asleep as we get older. This can leave you feeling tired and grumpy. Avoid insomnia by cutting down on daytime naps, establishing a bedtime routine, and going to bed at the same time each night. Try a warm drink such as chamomile tea or hot milk before you go to bed. 8. Take the tests. As we age, our hearing and eyesight can be affected, so it's important to get them checked regularly. Hearing loss is common in older people, so see your doctor if you have to have the TV on loud or having trouble tuning into conversations. Have your eyes checked every year if you are aged 70 or over, and every 2 years if you are under 70. This means that changes in your vision can be corrected, and any problems can be picked up before they seriously affect your sight. Eye tests are free if you are over 60. 9. Stay in touch. Spending time with other people can prevent you from feeling lonely or anxious. If you find that you are no longer able to do the things you used to do, try to develop new hobbies and interests, or think about becoming a volunteer. Use Skype to make video phone calls to friends and family who don't live nearby. If you are single, divorced, or bereaved and would like to meet someone, read our online guide to dating. 10. Give up smoking. If you didn't know it already, let us repeat it. Smoking is bad for your body and your brain. It's linked to a whole range of different health problems, including heart disease, lung cancer, and bronchitis. The good news is that if you stop smoking, regardless of your age, your circulation, your lung capacity, and your energy levels will improve. So, here were some great tips to live your best life as you age. Aging gracefully isn't about trying to look like a 20-something. It's about living your best life and having the physical and mental health to enjoy it. Like a bottle of wine, you can get better with age with the right care. Though aging is inevitable, some people find it difficult to deal with the changes that come with getting older. If you're worried about your health, are having trouble feeling positive about aging, or worry that you're not aging well, it's important to reach out for help. Talk to someone you trust, such as a family member or close friend. Professional help is also available through a doctor or a counselor. Aging gracefully is more about being healthy and happy than keeping wrinkles at bay. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, surround yourself with people you love, and do things that bring you joy. It's natural to worry about the challenges that aging can bring, so don't hesitate to speak to someone about your concerns. Thank you for watching our video on daily health, and don't forget to subscribe.